plan is a short trip around the island. We're gonna check out the high surf on the North Shore and also have lunch. This is our beautiful H3 highway. So we just passed Chinaman's Hat and now we're on the iconic Laie coastline of Oahu. What's the name of this fish pond? Huilua. How deep does this fish pond go?
Very deep.
Thus concludes our little side trip to this fish pond. It was really nice. We think it's Huilua fish pond, but we'll check the sign on the way out. But yeah, great beautiful little spot for probably like a picnic. And got some people hiking the rock up there, and we got some skydivers or parachuters. Alright, so this is Punaluu Beach. We're having lunch right now. First time trying it, even though we lived here this whole time. But yeah, beautiful day. Ashton, you want Korean chicken? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna try this shrimp shack here with all these accolades. How's lunch, guys? How's lunch? Good? Got clam strips.
It's clam.
Garlic shrimp.
Was it like good, Ashton?
Korean chicken. This is Ha'ula, home of the Polynesian Cultural Center. Alright. I've never been on this road, but we're heading out to the peninsula. Look, a chickaletta! This is like it is incredible area. Shall we head? Laie Point. It's been a while. Hale Eva Shave Ice.
We're gonna go to the Shave Ice stand and I
What? Not Aoki's.
not Aoki and not Matsu.
Hey, look, it's Ashton. He's finally coming to come see us.
Finally.
We just spent a little time looking at Laie Point.
And you liked it?
Yeah.
Except you had a little boo boo. Show them your boo boo.
And down there.
And down there.
So
But we'll
what's the
survive,
rule?
right?
Yeah, it's not the end of the world.
What's the
Not
rule?
the end of the world.
What do you learn?
Just
What's the
hurts.
rule? When you're on these rocks, don't fall down. You can have one spoon from Mama.
No, I can have none.
Always watch where you
Look at how he's limping.
Don't fall down. That's a really good rule.
These are the fruit stands that everyone goes to get fresh pineapple and boo-boo.